In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the exam registration system for those who want to take the Lithuanian language A1 or A2 level assessment exam. Open the page externams.nsa.smm.lt. If you already have your own account, log in by entering your email address and password. If you don't have your own account yet, create one. Select Register. Once on the registration page, fill out the registration form. Provide the required information in the form. Select Candidate. Save your details. Create a password. Provide a copy of your valid identity document. Enter the document number and expiration date. Read the privacy policy and data protection, and if you agree, tick the box. If you are studying, write the name of the educational institution. If you have a disability or pensioner's certificate, please upload a copy of it. Check that all the data you have provided is correct and click Register. After successful registration, the system will send you an email with a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link in the email. If you do not verify the link, the account will not be activated. Log into your account. Use the email and password you provided during registration. In the Register for Exam window that opens, select the exam you want to take. Select the date of the exam and the school where you want to take the exam. And click Continue Registration. In the window that opens, confirm that your personal data provided in the registration form is correct, and click Submit Application. After submitting the application, you will see a message on the screen that the application has been successfully submitted, and you will receive an email that your application has been accepted and that you have to pay for the exam. To complete the registration, you must make a payment within 24 hours of receiving the letter. Log into your account. Click on the Submitted Application section. In the status column of the table, click on Pending Payment and click Pay. Once your payment for the exam has been received, you will see a status of Approved next to the submitted application in your account. You will be able to view the results of the exam you have taken by logging into your account and selecting View Results on the left side of the window.